In 60 seconds, I'll show how to replace the MacBook Pro 17-inch Camera-AirPort cable. Gather tools: small Phillips, Torx T6, plastic spudger, tweezers, anti-static mat. Power off, unplug, and remove the battery to avoid short circuits. Remove the bottom case screws methodically. Keep them organized by location. Open the case and disconnect the battery connector before touching internal components. Locate the Camera-AirPort cable along the display hinge and antenna assembly. Inspect cable routing and clips. Note orientation and any adhesive points. Gently pry connectors with a plastic spudger. Avoid pulling on wires. Handle the cable by its reinforced ends. Fragile flexes tear easily. Route the new cable through the same channels. Seat connectors fully and flat. Reconnect the battery. Power on. Test camera and AirPort functionality carefully. Reinstall the bottom case. Tighten screws evenly and avoid over-tightening pins. If unsure, consult a technician.